Hi, my name is Mike Corey and I'm the Senior Procedure Consultant here at New England Center for Hair Restoration. So when you come in, you meet with me and I go over all the details and give you all the information about everything you need to know about a hair procedure. A little bit about me is I love to work out. So besides having this hair because I had a procedure 25 years ago, I feel good about myself if I work out as well.
Hi, I'm Erica.
I'm Denari,
And we're the Dream
Team. I am a surgical tech here, specializing in hair transplant. And my fun fact is I like dancing Zumba.
My fun fact is I love to travel.
Hey guys, I'm Kelvin Tavares. I am the consultant. I'm here especially helping the Portuguese speakers to be able to enjoy our products and procedures. And a fun fact about me is that I love reading and I love outdoors activities.